What's up, man? Nesquick. Here to show you one final zippo trick for right now. I'm gonna come out with some more. I got English Rose coming up, but this one I don't know what his name is. I saw it off of I can't remember his name. He's a Asian guy. I don't remember his name, but he's really good. Don't disrespect. No disrespect. He's good. But so I got this off of him. Don't know what it's called, but it goes like that. Alright? It's pretty easy. Well, it's not easy. I mean, it takes practice. Like, I'm not even good at it yet. I'm just kind of good. Anyway, how it goes is, it's just like a revolver. You're going to open it the same way, light it same way. I'm not going to do it lit because it gets really hot and it's going to take a while to teach. So you open it, light it, come around with your index and middle finger, okay, put that like that, and then put your ring finger on top like this, okay, and then you're going to twirl that around to your pinky, and then that around to your thumb, catch it, and then close, okay. So boom, boom, okay. Slow-mo. Fast-mo. Nah, it didn't work. That was a little sloppy, but you get the basic idea. I'm still practicing on it. Just a little bit. I learned it a little while ago. You keep practicing, you'll get it eventually. And next, I'll probably have the English Rose, unless I can find something a little more simple that I can master really easily, and that'll be coming out. And I mean, I'll make sure it's cool, because can't have lame zippo tricks under my repertoire. So next cool trick I master will be coming at you. Nesquick out.